I think I feel something like mushrooms. Yeah, mushrooms really soft. Time for to go. Good morning. Good morning. Oh wait, just kidding. That's a baby stuff. What the heck? Why? Why were you sleeping in my bed? I don't know. I just wanted to. You're so sick, man. What? You slept on my bed. Sorry, I had nowhere else to sleep, so I'm just gonna sleep here. No, man, let's get out of my bed right now. Now. Get out of my bed right now. Okay. It's so mean. Okay, fine. This is probably my adventure. Just kidding, man. But, hope stuff gets weirder and weirder. Hello, Pillow. Hello. What's up, Pillow? Pillow? My name's not Pillow. My name's Spider-Man. Oh, you're Spider-Man. Oh, let me use my dream light to use this. Dream light on. That's just a pillow pet. Dang it. Your pillow pet sucks. Oh, shut up, man. Ow. Ow. Get out of here. This is what you get. Mama shut. Mama. Ooh, a bird. What's that? I'm Boomerang. Duh, Marble. What are you doing here? I just wanted to say you won a prize. What? That's it? Yep, a monkey bar. Oh, shut up, Marimo. Just get out of here. Ow. Alright. Any last wishes? I dream of Brock. My name is Brock now. You copied Skylanders Giants. How dare you? My name is Brock now, sucker. How dare you? Change back to regular name for him. Nope. My name's Brock now. Wait. So, everyone calls you Brock? Yes. And now, I'm going to kill you. No! I don't think so. Because you suck. I want to go in space. Just kidding, because space is cold. Let's see what this alarm Redbird's going. Man, you're big. That's because I am big, you little idiot. Go ask my brother. Your brother? Who's your brother? Your brother! Our brother! Jeez, man. Looks like you don't know anything. Jeez, you don't have to be such an idiot about it. Oh, the big red, man, the big red. How do you be so giant? I'm a giant. I'm like Skylanders Giants, man. Don't you see I'm big? Plus, I'm an alarm, too. I don't care if you're alarm or whatever. Just get out of my room. You guys are being too crazy. Nuh-uh. You don't tell alarm what to do. Nah. Alarm, okay. Jeez, man, you just almost hit my other alarm. How dare you? I don't care. Narwhal! Shut up, Narwhal! What the heck? You know they're in the bathtub, right? Who's in the bathtub? Nico and Pedro. I don't care if they're in the stupid bathtub. Just get out of here, Blue. You're mean. Okay. Any last wishes? Narwhal. What is that, man? You need some. I think you need to practice that narwhal thing. You suck. I'm out of here. Well, he sucks too. Hey, Chimcharge. My name's not Chimcharge. Stop calling me Chimcharge, or else I'll use my flame wheel. No. Don't use that. No. Okay, get out of here. Get out of my room. Okay, fine. Idiot. Shut up, King Julian. What? I don't know. Just shut up. Right now. Why are you being so mean today? No, not that veggie. No, don't sing that song. Finally, there. Jirachi, I love you.
What the heck? You love me? You're sick, man.
Yeah, you're being so mean today. Oh, shut up, Luigi. You shut up. You shut up. Get off.
La 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 la.
What are you doing?
I let my brothers go in space.
Why?
Because I don't want to be in space because it sucks.
What about you going to space right now?
Now!
Alright, fine.
Just leave me alone.
Alright, you little midget.
Don't call me a midget.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Liffany. I'm going to rescue the world. Shut up, Liffany. Any last wishes? Polar bear. Roar, I'm a polar bear. What's up, polar bear? I'm not a polar bear. Jeez. You don't call answer questions like that. I'm going to eat you up. You know what? For a boomerang. No, not today. Die. Okay, one more wish and then I'm done. I'm going to sleep.
Thanks. Narwa. Narwa. Narwa.
That is romantic, man.
I'm a girl.
Well, that's cool.
La 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 la.
You're so romantic.
Yeah, I know.